I hope you ain't think I forgot about you. Let's go. I've been waiting to get to you, baby. Come here. I need my balls like my butt need the super suit. Flip you over. Ooh, ooh. I say as we roll in, I think we might be. What's going on, y'all? It's Roadside Rider, and I got a job for you if you choose to accept. We got an inside tire blown on the tag axle of this tree truck. I don't know if that's the technical name for it, but that's what I'm calling it. And check this out, it's called the tag axle because it's on the back with the tag, but it can raise itself up. And he got it raised up, so I ain't gotta jack it up. I literally just gotta take the lug nuts off, take the tires off the vehicle, tires and wheels, and we were gonna change this thing out. Let me shut up my talking, man. Go on and crank my compressor up. And put these two 295, 75, 22.5s on there. This job officially starts in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. This is my first semi-tire for the day, so I gotta run my air gun oil through there. Let's do that thing, man. Reverse. Let's go. You know what? Let's switch that angle up, shall we? Where did I get this bar from? I would never tell, but let's go ahead and get these tires off of here. I saw something earlier. I don't know if y'all saw it when I looked back here. Oh, let me get my hammer. 1 second, y'all. No, you know what? Hold on. I might not need that hammer. Let me see if that bar get in and slide off. That joker about look like it's seized on there, boy. I got some for them ignorant tires. Let me spray that a little bit. Put that PB blaster on there. That joker seems like it's seized on. Where that hammer come from, none of your business. Let me see if I can get back there. Can I? I don't think I can. This joker is not moving, bro. Like, that joker look like it's kind of welded on there. So you know what? I'm gonna try to beat it loose from the inside. If it don't move, I'm gonna change the tire with the wheel still on. I need to get it off because he got darn tread right there and everything, man. Come on, bro. Today just ain't my day. But it's all good. We do what we gotta do. We take the good with the bad, right? Let me see if I can beat this off. But that joker look like it's kind of, it actually looked like it's welded on, which is wild to me. I know it ain't actually welded, but look at that, I ain't got enough clearance to hit it. It's moving too, though. Gotti. I got that joker then. Sheesh. All right. Y'all know how I be on here talking about my jobs be easy. This one of the jobs that ain't. Let me get that retread from back there real quick. We gonna go and change these tires, man. I'm about to get on. This my last job of the day. I ain't got time for this nonsense. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happens when you work on your day off. Ooh, she gave in, but she gave then, boy. Come on. All right, what else I need to do? Should I grab you from the bottom? Let me grab you from the bottom. See if that work. See if that work for me. I think that's gonna work for me. I think that's gonna work for me. That worked for me. Let's get you out of the good God Almighty. Ladies and gentlemen, do not drive trucks. This will happen. Do not start doing tires for a living. This will happen. But the money is worth it, so don't let me lie like that. I'm going to let the air out of this one before we roll over there. Let me grab my soap water, please. Let me get you lined up with me, please. If it's not obvious to you, me fighting with that wheel to get it off the truck is the hard part. This right here is the easy part. And it don't get no easier than this. Check me out, baby. Let's go. We struggle no more. The struggle is over. I made sure that the struggle is over. If you watching this video, I know it ain't the best video of mine, but please feel inspired. Please judge me however you need. Come up off of there. Oh, I got something for you. I had something for you back there. I got something for you right here. Come on. We putting them 2 new tires on now. So of course we're gonna put them 2 new valve stems in now. Let's get it. New valve stem, I need you to go in with no problems. Everything else been giving me problems. I don't want any problems out of you, please. Make sure that nut is on now. Push you in from the back, boom. Tighten that nut down by hand first. Then we come back with the wrench and the bar. We're gonna tighten you down with that wrench. Tight to death, let's get it. All the air is out of this tire. It is your turn, baby. I hope you didn't think I forgot about you. Let's go. I'm a bad man out here on the side of this freaking highway, if you ain't know that, and it's already broke. I ain't even have to swing the hammer. Where are my bars? I need my balls like my butt need the super suit. Flip you over. Ooh, ooh. That boy showing y'all all kind of tricks on the side of the road, ain't he? Come here. One pop. I think that's all I need. I was right. I'ma lean this right here, cause he wanna take that back with him. Where is my wrench and my valve stem? Let's go. Put you in there. Let's take you out. A 1, a 2, a 3. That thing should be loose enough for the hand. Yes, it is. Time for the new one. We're gonna do the same thing we did with the other one. Take the nut off, stick you in a little bit. Make sure the nut is on. Make sure you lined up with the hole. Push you in from the back. Tighten the nut by the hand. Tighten the nut as far as I can. I think I'm going crazy on the side of this freaking road, man. Let me grab my wrench and my bar for stabilization. Let's do it. Let's do it. Tight to death. You know what it is that I got left. We finna lube these babies up. Put them on the truck. How that lube looking this afternoon, baby? A little pretty straight. It ain't the best, but it looks all right to me. Yeah, get over there. I don't need you to hit me on this darn Saturday afternoon. It's gonna do good enough to slide on that wheel. Got them lubed up, let's slide them on. I'm just gonna be honest with y'all, man. I'm flustered, man. Today hasn't been a good day for me. I've run into all kind of obstacles, which I know there are gonna be obstacles out here on the road. No pun intended, but the road called life. But golly, man. Feel like I can't catch a break today, you know what I'm saying? But let's peel you on. Brother, man. Let's peel you on. Last pull. Watch it drop for me. Sheesh. It's your turn. I've been waiting to get to you, baby. Come here. I don't even know what that sign make. Oh, that was the last pull. Hold on. Oh, don't spin. Don't spin. Ah. What MC say? It's hammer time. I'm gonna take the core out of these. That way they'll air up a lot quicker. I don't have time to be playing around on the side of the road today. I'm ready to go home, baby. So let's get these aired up, you feel me? So we can get on. She gonna air it by herself. I don't need my tank or the starting fluid. She's sealing on the wheel, and she is sealed, baby. I'll be back. All right, y'all, I got the tires aired up, and I got valve caps on top of the new valve stems. Let's go ahead and put them on the truck, shall we? I can't forget my gloves. I need y'all. I don't even know how I took y'all off or why I took y'all off. Come on, let's get going. You thought I was gonna bump into that hub too, didn't you? I know you did. I'm too good for that. Look at that clearance off the ground. You see how high I had to lift that tire just then? But he came up like it wasn't nothing, baby. Let's go up with you. And get you lined up right there. Uh-oh. Easy does it. Get these lug nuts on, man. You may have not noticed, I'm clapping the lug nuts as I pick them up off the ground. That's because I got them in dirt, I got them in grass, and I'm just tapping anything that's inside the threads off of there. You don't want anything to come in between the thread of that lug nut and the thread of that stud, so we tapping them to knock them off. Look at that. I'm still dropping gems, new gems you ain't heard before, but anyway, sound like I ain't said this in a while. NASCAR. Is you ready? Let me switch the angle up on this thing, man. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what I call a job like this where I'm from? A success.